My partner and I watched the 2016 movie Loving last weekend. It made at least one of us cry profusely, or maybe both. The movie is based on a true story about the Lovings. Yes, that was their name. An interracial couple from Virginia whose fight for love paved the way for interracial marriages to become legal in America. And to us, it's just wild that in the lifetime of so many Americans, including our parents, what we're doing and falling in love would have been considered a crime. So here's how that changed.
So in 1959, Richard Loving, a white man, and Mildred Loving, a black woman, were arrested and sent to prison after being woken from their beds in the middle of the night. They had violated Virginia's Racial Integrity Act of 1924, which was a super racist law that prohibited interracial marriages and emphasized the superiority of the white race. Super racist.
Well, the case went on and the couple pleaded guilty, but their sentence was suspended on the grounds that the Lovings would return to Virginia for 25 years, meaning Mrs. Loving would have to stay away from her parents, her family, and her hometown for basically a quarter of her life.
Tired of her fate, Miss Loving wrote a letter to the ACLU, which decided to take up their case. The lawyers working on the case could not appeal the case in Virginia and decided to take it to the U.S. Supreme Court, which in a unanimous decision announced on June 12, 1967, that Virginia's interracial marriage law violated the 14th Amendment to the Constitution.
And you know the most heart-wrenching part? Mr. Loving never went inside court to testify. He just told his lawyers to tell the judges.
Tell the judge I love my wife.